opening. What's your head itching? Okay, I already came so y'all can sit down and watch me do my hair real quick. I mean, not literally, technically. You're just gonna see me do half of it or something. But yeah, I just came to y'all to let y'all know I'm about to look fire. I'm about to look fire. Now, look, if y'all do your hair and y'all take it down, save y'all hair. Recycle the hair. Recycle the hair. That's what I'm about to do. And I'm going to show y'all the finished product. It's going to be just like, and look at it. It's all tangled up, but baby, it's going to work. It's going to work. Okay? And you can use anything you want to. These are just the items that I use personally to help me out with my twists. So the water bottle, we got this. I'm gonna quickly go through this. A rat tail comb. We got the I usually use a lot of body mousse, but y'all see that's on E. So I got this Aussie mousse. I'm gonna try this out. It's like a leave-in conditioner type of mousse. I'm gonna try it out. A brush, some eco styling gel, of course, and then any kind of jam. Any kind of jam I feel like will work. You can use any type of jam that you want to, honey. It's just to hold the hair together, make it look smooth. Then these, you can get these from your local Dollar Tree. I got tons of them. And you don't necessarily need these because you can use rubber bands or ponytail holders or something. But got these two clip pieces of my hair. We'll hold them while I'm parting and things like that. And that is it. Those are the only items that I use. Well, products and items that I use to do my hair. And it's just going to be a quick little, I guess, tutorial because it only takes a little while. I'm about to get ready to go to the movies. And I thought I would do my hair and show you guys how I do it. And it definitely is. It's easy and it's quick. Okay, so from right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna part my hair, and I am going to part it into sections where I could start getting ready to put the rubber bands in, right?
All night, say it, I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep,
to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. A little more, a little less. Now you had to confess, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, shit, I'm rolling up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a punch, shit would never us. Shit would never us. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though, I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. Don't care. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage, but you never could imagine. Never thought you could, baby, who you
Cute. Okay. Remember, this is recycled hair. I reused this hair like I think 3 times already. This is the 3rd time, and it still looks good. It still looks good, honey. I'm gonna cut some of this down, but yes, this is the finished product. Yes, my hair is getting so thin. We gonna fix that too. And y'all see me on here looking like a grease monkey, but it's okay because I'm getting the skin together. Y'all know what the cocoa butter do to the melanin. Okay. But yeah, we getting ready to go to the movies. Excuse those people in the background. They're so rude. No, just playing. They don't even know what I'm doing in here. But yeah, so this is the finished product. It's cute. If y'all ever see me out, like going out of town, if I vlog when I'm going out of town, which I'm sure I will because I want to be a vlogger. If y'all see me out of town, this is the style I'm probably gonna have. And I'm sorry I keep looking over here because I'm looking at myself, baby. I love when I put these in. I love when I put these passion twists in. Easy, affordable, girl. Like I said, when I go out of town, I'm always gonna have these in. This is my go-to look. Every time I do something, go out, whatever, I'm gonna put these in because I like the look. It's really cute and it's affordable. And I swear, when you go to the shop, they want about $300, $400, $500, sometimes more. I've heard. I'm not paying that. Not gonna happen. No, ma'am. Not gonna happen. I am not paying that much to get my hair done. You can do this and still look as cute. You know what I'm saying? Like, do it yourself. Still look as cute. And also, it's trial and error. Just keep, like, if you find a style, you can't do it, like, just practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes what? Y'all already know. So, it's a trial and error type of thing. And you'll get it how you want it, you know, how you want it. I'm going to the movies, so this was like a real quick style to throw in because I didn't want to wear a ponytail today. So I did this. And yes, honey, yes, Lord. We're about to go to the show. And it's going to last like a week. I'll probably take it down before a week. But yeah, this is not like a real tutorial. It was just me showing you guys, like, you can do your own hair, baby. You don't need nobody to do your hair. I had to teach myself that because I live in a small town. And, ooh, girl. I live in a small town. And I have nobody out here to do my hair. It's just me. I'll have to go out of town and get my hair done. So, I'm not about to do that. So, I order my hair and I do my hair myself. Okay, baby?
It's Catan. he's just crushing it. He is a force of nature. He is killing on that stage. Yeah. It's legendary. Legendary shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and look that one up on YouTube.
So Nope was definitely a nope in my E40 voice. This is all the footage I got for y'all. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all.